Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the engine ignition coils on this 2000 Buick LeSabre. Same as any 2000 to 2005 LeSabre, and pretty much the same as a lot of vehicles that have the 3800 series V6. And the only tool you'll need is a 732's socket with a ratchet and extension.
The ignition coils on the 3800 V6s in these Buick LeSabres, very conveniently located right here on top. Okay, if one of these starts going bad, usually what it does is it'll turn a check engine light on and it'll say something like misfire in cylinder number 6 or 5 or 4 or something, and that's generally a good indicator that your coil is starting to go bad. And if that is the case, they're pretty easy to replace. And you can see that the original coils are marked here with their cylinder numbers. Okay, so we know that this plug is cylinder number 3 and this wire goes to cylinder number 6. What you first want to do is just give these plugs kind of a twist and then pull off. Okay, give this wire a little bit of a twist and then pull it up and off. And then there's two 732's bolts. Remove those.
And we'll just speed it up here as we remove those two bolts.
Okay. Once you have those off, just pull the coil straight off. Okay, so a new coil from 1AAuto. Right here there's a couple of tabs, or those are actually the electrical connections, and they go in right there, so you want to carefully put this right down. And what you can do actually is put your screw in, make sure that goes in, and then put the coil down carefully onto those tabs, and it basically plugs right in just like that. And put our other screw right down in.
And we'll speed things up again here as we just put those two bolts in and tighten them up. Again, tighten them. You want to tighten them nice and firm. Don't want to over tighten them though.
Tight. And then this was the top plug wire, and then the bottom plug wire. Okay. And because the replacement coil can fit any one of these positions, they don't come marked with the cylinder numbers, but you could take a crayon or some type of white paint marker and mark your cylinder numbers back on there using the old one if you wanted to. Okay, and a suggestion would be is if one of your coils goes bad, obviously 1AAuto, we sell the coils, so you can buy all three. I would also replace your plug wires and your spark plugs. That's kind of the way you do a kind of a basic tune-up on these newer engines, is replacing the coils, plug wires, and spark plugs.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.